Let's run an annual building analysis, shall we? The objective of this video is to configure where our building is geographically. Then we'll run an annual building load analysis and get a report. In Revit, under Models, I'm going to go to Open. I'll browse where I'm keeping my exercise files, and I'll grab MEP, Progress, Analysis, Annual. But notice that we have an analysis for HVAC folder. We'll check that out later once we run our annual analysis. Let's click Open. It doesn't matter what view you're in. What I'd like to do though is go to your Manage tab. Now let's click on our Location button. As I mentioned before, our project is not on shared coordinates, so we need to actually physically locate our project. So we can define our location by, we'll say, Internet Mapping Service. I'm going to go to Syracuse, Hancock International Airport. That's our airport. Click Search. Our building's going to be around here somewhere. So if we go to our Weather tab, notice that we're going to use HVAC design data from the nearest weather station, basically. Back to Location. Let's click OK. Perfect. Now let's go to our Analysis tab. Let's click on Systems Analysis. I'd like to run an annual building energy simulation. For the report name, I want to call it Annual Loads. Let's click Run Analysis. We'll get our message saying Systems Analysis is calculated in the background, and you'll see your little spinning processes icon. This is going to take probably 3 or 4 minutes based on the size of this building. Once done, our System Analysis Complete dialog will show up, and we'll click it. Now, this will give us a path to our annual overview report. Now, when we see our end use, energy use, these are all regional assumptions, but when we drill into the table, this will drill into our specific building. We can collapse these. We can keep going down through. Monthly overview, heating, cooling. Collapse this. Gas tables. And we have miles of data that we can look at. So if we go to a detailed report, we can go to our tables of contents. Now we can go down through and we can look at all of our items. Climatic data summary. And this puts us in our region right here. Also, we have an annual loads report that's been sent to the same folder that your model is in. So we can go to our annual reports, and it's basically an HTML file. Open this up. This will open in whatever your default internet browser is, and it's basically the same table. So there you go. That's how you create an annual simulation report.